Welcome to another episode of Dai Project TinkerCAD CodeBlocks 3D tutorial. Today we're going to make a skyscraper. First we need to rename the project. Then I'm going to create one object. I need a variable. So the variable name will be item1 and its value will be 5. Okay, now I'm going to controls, taking one for loop, going to my shapes, taking a shape and taking a cube here. So I'm modifying its height, width and length by height to 2. Go to your math, take an operation, put it for width and length. So with the loop, my height and width and height of the cube will be changed accordingly. So I'm going to take an J, going to multiply it with 0.5, length with 0.5. I'm going to modification, taking and rotate it around z-axis by 2.5 degrees into the value of j. Again, I'm going to take a move, put it here, move it, by the height of z-axis same 2.5. I am changing the item value by 1. So I'm going to repeat this 50 times. Let's see what it can create. I'm going to speed up the process. That's a mistake we have done. Both operations should be multiplication. Okay, before that we're going to make a modification is creating a group, rotating it in x-axis by 180 degrees. Let's create this object first. So my object is being created. It has to create 50 blocks of the cube. The width and the height will be changed accordingly to the value of j. So almost it's the end, I think. My skyscraper is created and it will be rotated at 180 degrees. So we have to create an object again for the top antenna for my skyscraper, which will be my lightning arrestor. For that I'm going to shapes. I'm taking an pyramid. Its size will be 1. Go to modify. I need to modify it. So take a scale, take a move. I want to change its color to same color of the skyscraper. So I'm changing x by 0.07, y to 0.07 and z will be the same. I'm moving it at a height of 130. So this will be my lightning arrestor for my skyscraper. I have to create the object again. My object is created, my loop is running, my height and width are modified with the j value accordingly. It is created, rotated by z-axis 2.5 into the j value. It is near the end. My SkyScraper is created. My lightning arrestor is created. So my program is completed. This will be my SkyScraper, my tornado building. If you like the video, press the like button. Put your feedback in the comment box. Share the video. Let's see you in next video.